Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the Score Rewards credit card program through Dick's Sporting Goods is a specialized financial tool that functions very differently depending on how it's managed. Unlike general-purpose credit cards built for everyday spending, this one is designed around a single ecosystem, the Dick's Sporting Goods family of brands. Its real value comes from customers who already shop regularly at Dick's, Golf Galaxy, or public lands and want to turn those purchases into extra rewards. When you apply, you're considered for one of two versions: the Score Rewards MasterCard, usable anywhere MasterCard is accepted, or the store-only Score Rewards card, restricted to Dick's, Golf Galaxy, and public lands. The MasterCard gives you broader flexibility outside the store network, while the store-only version is built for loyal customers who mainly shop within that family of brands. Both versions come with an immediate upgrade to Scorecard Gold status once you pass $500 in annual spend, a nice shortcut since it skips the normal threshold most people need to hit Gold. That status unlocks a $10 annual thank you reward and lets you pick one day a year to earn triple points, effectively acting like a 10% back promotion. Timing a big purchase: fitness equipment, outdoor gear, sports accessories around that bonus day can add up to real savings. The main draw, though, is the reward rate inside the Dick's ecosystem itself: 2 points for every $1 spent. Since 300 points equals a $10 reward, that works out to an effective 6.6% back, a rate that easily beats most standard credit cards when you're shopping within this ecosystem. New cardholders also typically get a $30 bonus reward, sometimes $40 during promotions, for a qualifying purchase made the same day they're approved. There's also a fun bonus feature tied to the Move platform link, a fitness tracker to the store app, and you earn 3 points per day for hitting 10,000 steps. It's a small daily amount, but it adds up over time for consistent users. For bigger purchases, the card offers special financing: 12, 18, or 24 months on purchases starting at $399, $999, and $1,499 respectively. That can help with expensive items like treadmills, exercise machines, bikes, or golf equipment. Now here's where you need to pay close attention, because the risks with this card are substantial. The biggest issue is the purchase APR, which as of early 2026 sits around 30.49%, with some offers listing as high as 30.74% or even 32%. That's far above the national average for general-purpose cards. And at that rate, carrying a balance for even a short time can wipe out any rewards you've earned. The special financing offers come with an even bigger catch. They're not true 0% APR promotions, they're deferred interest. That distinction matters a lot. With real 0% APR, interest simply doesn't accrue during the promo period. With deferred interest, that interest is quietly building in the background, and if you don't pay off the entire balance by the end of the promotional window, you get charged interest retroactively from the original purchase date at that 30% plus rate. So even a small leftover balance after the promo ends can trigger a big, unexpected interest charge. Outside the Dick's ecosystem, the MasterCard version earns just 1 point per $3, spent roughly 1.1% back, which is easily beaten by any standard cashback card. So this really isn't a card you want to use for everyday spending outside the store. The redemption system is also fairly rigid. Rewards only come in $10 increments. So if you have 290 points, you get nothing until you hit 300. Rewards also expire typically 60 days once issued, and points expire after a year if unused. And there's no partial redemption if you use a $10 reward on a $7 item. That extra $3 is just gone. A few more costs to know: a 3% foreign transaction fee on the MasterCard, late fees up to $41, and a minimum interest charge of $2. There's no annual fee, but the high APR means the real value of this card depends entirely on disciplined repayment. So who is this card actually good for? Power users who spend over $1,000 a year on sports equipment or apparel, and who'll actually make use of that gold status and triple points day. It also works well for a one-time big purchase, like a treadmill, provided you're absolutely certain you can pay it off within the promotional window. Who should skip it? Anyone who tends to carry a monthly balance that 30% plus APR will erase any rewards almost immediately. It's also not ideal if you want flexible rewards, since points can only go toward merchandise, not statement credits or cash back. So, here's the bottom line. The Score Rewards card offers genuinely strong rewards for loyal Dick's shoppers and a solid status upgrade, but it comes with real risk that high APR and the deferred interest trap on financing can turn a good deal into an expensive mistake if you're not careful. Used strategically, by someone who pays their balance in full every month, it can maximize savings on gear you were already planning to buy. Used carelessly, it can turn into a costly financial trap fast. That's everything you need to know about the Score Rewards card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.